See, we are located in the eastern part of India, and most of our polymer products move through road. The road transportation is paramount out here. What we felt was that the customers, in terms of giving them the best in class services, they were also expecting like when, in which manner, at what point of time the goods are in what state. We need to work this out in a digital way. And that's where we trying to find out integrated applications, because when we say electronic proof of delivery, it has got basically from our requirement point of view, 3 components. The first component was that we need to track the vehicle. Second, what we felt was that when the vehicle is basically getting nearer to the customer place, then customer should be knowing, yes, I'm going to receive the material in certain couple of hours or sometime down the line. And I need to also give him an alert the moment it enters some sort of a geofencing area. Third is the complaint management. Because when you transport materials, there will be certain issues, pilferage issues, and can be accidents, There can be some contingency reasons, drivers going in a different route, or taking a longer time to reach their destination. And this whole system was integrated back to SAP S/4HANA. So that means whenever an order is booked, a DO is released, LR is generated, it is immediately getting aligned with the ePOD. And that's when, we approached TCG Digital. Can we utilize their MQ platform?
What electronic proof of delivery provides is the ability to track transits, shipments in an almost real-time basis using both GPS as well as SIM-based tracking. We delivered an application which is multi-channel in terms of it allows an interface on your mobile phone which is visible to both HPL, which is the shipper, as well as the customer, and it allows them to actually track a vehicle which is in transit in real time. What it also does is we have this concept of geofencing, and what that means is when a vehicle reaches or is in the near vicinity of the destination, maybe you can imagine a circle which is 3 kilometers in diameter, then the customer or the shipment, whoever the shipment is destined for, he or she gets a notification automatically. The other thing is the electronic proof of delivery functionality is only enabled when the vehicle is in the vicinity of the final destination. So it actually, in India, this is a problem, but it allows us to track fraud. And it's all centralized within tcgmcube as the analytics platform of choice for HPL. We have implemented this in a technology called blockchain, Ethereum. And what that provides is something in what we call as immutability, which is you cannot tamper with any record which has been implemented in a blockchain mechanism. An application of this nature, where we are actually depending on third-party transporters and we have an interface to end customers, immutability and security is of great significance and importance. From a transporter perspective, because we are also enabling billing as a result of capturing all the information in one place, the electronic proof of delivery is a trigger for billing.
The USP of this digital delivery was that the transport vendors were also able to place the bills digitally. So we were able to do bill discounting on top of it.
ePOD has actually significantly reduced our payment processing time. What we hear is earlier probably the invoice took about 2.5 hours to process, which I'm told it has been reduced to around 15 minutes now, which is significant for any industry like us, because we have number of invoices and number of contractor payment bills. So ultimately, ePOD, while being a automation tool, it really serves the purpose of enhancing the satisfaction levels all across.